Good day, kids! Our lesson for today is when to use LCM or GCF in word problems. Here are the keywords to use LCM or GCF. Ito ang mga dapat tandaan pag LCM ang gagamitin. Least, smallest, minimum, o parang cycle, o may pattern ng problem. Is happening at the same time. Ang GCF naman ay kung meron kang makikitang mga words like greatest, maximum, most, kung may mangyayaring split up or division into equal parts. Ito ay mga kinakailangan para sa GCF. For our first example, JM runs the oval for 18 minutes, while Louise runs for 12 minutes. Which one is faster? Of course, Louise. This is the oval where Louise and JM run. This is the starting point. We will call it as point A. Question is, when will the two meet at point A? Demonstrate how we are going to find the point where these two meet. Let's say this straight line will represent the oval. Louise would take 12 minutes to finish the oval. Like Louise, JM started at point A and runs for 18 minutes. For their first round, were they able to meet at point A? No. Hindi sila nagpang-abot. Louise again continues to run for another 12 minutes. JM ran for the second time for 18 minutes. They able to meet? The answer is no. At the third round ni Louise, they were able to meet at point A. This is another method of finding the least common multiple. Louise runs 12 minutes, while JM runs 18 minutes. Use prime factorization. Start with the prime number 2. 2 divided by 2 is equal to 6, and 18 divided by 2 is equal to 9. Going to stop dividing? The answer is no, because we still have common for both 6 and 9. What is common to 6 and 9? Of course, 3. 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. And 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. Going to stop dividing from this point? Yes, because 2 and 3 are prime numbers already. Therefore, we are going to multiply all the numbers outside. We have 2, 3, 2, and 3. All together multiplied, it becomes 36. What about if we start dividing by 3? How about this technique? It is composed of two prime numbers, which is equal to 6. O, diba? Mas mabilis? Did we get the same answer from these two methods? Yes. To summarize, after 36 minutes, JM and Luis will meet at point A. For another side question, from our previous example, we were looking for the least common multiple of two numbers. This time, one of the two numbers is missing. At we are going to find the factors of 36. Ano-ano yung mga factors ng 36? We have 2 and 18, 3 and 12, 4 and 9, and 6 and 6. Din kaya sa mga factors ang swak na swak para sa second number. Let's try 2. 2 times 6 times 1 is not equal to 36. How about 3? 3 times 4 times 1 is not equal to 36. How about 4? 4 times 3 times 1 is not equal to 36. What about 6? 6 times 2 times 1 is not equal to 36. About trying 18. What is common to 12 and 18? Let's try 6. 6 times 2 times 3 is equal to 36. 18 is the second number. Let's try another factor, 12. 12 times 1 times 1 is not equal to 36. Let's try the factor 9. 3 times 4 times 3 is equal to 36. Swak na swak din, gaya ng 18. Bakit dalawa ang pwedeng answers dito? Take a look with Luis. Kuha niyang takbuhin ang buong oval ng 12 minutes. Ngayon, kung merong tatakbo, kagaya ni JM, 18 minutes, binabagalan niya ito. Pwede rin niyang bibilisan bilang 9 minutes. Sa pagkakataong ito, sila ay mag-aabot sa 36 minutes.